Ryan Ledgerwood's been in care since he was a toddler and lived in 13 different homes.
Well, I've not had the best start in life. I was in care, but I was a wee menace when I was younger. Always kicking off. Didn't like the word no, like most people, but I didn't take it in a good way. I'd always kick off.
But an opportunity arose through Glasgow Life to start volunteering, and with one door opening, it's led to a completely new life for Ryan.
Yeah, I started volunteering in Port Library for a wee bit, and then I went to Pelly Community Centre, and I've driven in there and I've loved it.
Over the past few years, he's carried out nearly 1,500 hours volunteering at youth clubs and daycare sessions for vulnerable adults.
We have a lot of regulars that come in every week. You know all their names, and they know yours. They'll also have a laugh with you. You can always have a laugh back. We'll sometimes, if we've got time, we'll go up, play pool with them, find out what's going on, how they're getting on.
His cheerful personality won over the bosses of Glasgow Life, and he was chosen for a Youth Work Modern Apprenticeship.
Ryan, what have you been doing today?
He's currently on secondment at the Gorbals Leisure Centre.
Within a matter of a few days, Ryan was fitted in like a member of staff. He was answering the telephones within a couple of days, setting up equipment. He knew the facility inside out. There wasn't any job too big or too small that Ryan couldn't put his hand to. He's a credit to the Modern Apprentice scheme, to be honest with you, and I'd be really sad to see him go, but I wish him all the best for the future.
And I volunteered, and now I've got a full-time job out of it, and hope to make that into a career. So if anyone does get the opportunity to volunteer, I would take it straight away, because it does help people.
Ryan Ledgerwood's a shining example of a life turned around, and he wins the Young Scot Volunteering Award.